Keep in mind this image as you're going through and categorizing these box and whisker plots and making sure that they match up with the 5-number summaries. The first value that you see is the minimum. The next will be the first quartile, which begins the box. The median will be somewhere in the center of the box. And then you have the third quartile, which is the right edge of the box. And then the far right point will be the maximum. Anything that lies past that maximum or way before the minimum will be an outlier. Alright, at this center you're just going to be looking at the box and whisker plots, and then you're going to go ahead and match it up with its 5-number summary, because that's what a box and whisker plot is. It's just a rendition of a 5-number summary so that you can get a visual idea of where that data lies. So let's take a look at this one. It says, what is the 5-number summary of the following box and whisker plot? So upon looking at this, all we have to do is we're just going to find where our points cross. And so I can go from here. This is my minimum value. Notice that it goes down and hits 25. So I'm going to put my minimum equals 25. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at our next one, and if I follow it down, notice it hits right on 30. And so my Q1 equals 30. That's my second number. The next one right here in the middle is what we call the median, and so therefore that hits on 35. So the median is equal to 35, and we just go over here to our next one, and this next one comes down and hits, and that's going to be 50. So our Q3 is going to be 50, and it looks like they left some data off, so I'm just going to go ahead and make another point of my own right here. Say there was a point right there. Now if we notice, right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one of these represents one unit. This is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So if this last point over here that I just made was my maximum, that would hit one point after 50, which would be 51. So therefore my max would be equal to 51. And that's my 5-number summary. If I were to rewrite this nice and neat, I could just say 25, 30, 35, 50, 51. And there's my 5-number summary. And that's all you're doing. You're just going to look at the whisker plot, box and whisker plot, and then you're going to match up the lines of where you think it is and see which one of the cards that has the answer choices most closely matches the data on that box and whisker plot.